alert in Jammu. Cloudburst, flash floods, torrential rain, swelling rivers, collapsing bridges have brought the region to a standstill. Highways are blocked, rivers are in spate. Vaishno Devi Yatra suspended, rescue operations in full swing. Authorities warn the next 24 hours could be decisive. Sunil G. Bhatt reports on Ground Zero.
Red alert in Jammu. Cloudburst, flash floods, torrential rain, swelling rivers and bridge collapse bring the district on its knees. Major portion of bridge number 4 on the Tavi river came down on Tuesday.
निकल जाओ, गाड़ी छोड़ो, भैया बाहर निकलो यार, बाहर निकल यार, बाहर निकल बाहर.
Vehicles were stranded on the adjoining Bikram Chowk bridge.
Behind me you can see bridge number 4 over Tavi river. This is an important bridge and you can see a major portion of this bridge has got damaged. Tavi river is flowing at danger mark right now. Unprecedented scenes are being witnessed here in Jammu city. Situation is getting very dangerous and you can see that a major portion of this bridge has got damaged. You can see the extent of damage that has taken place. There are many cars that have got stuck on this damaged bridge.
The Tavi, Chenab, Basantar and Ravi rivers are flowing about danger mark, triggering evacuation across low-lying areas. On the Jammu-Srinagar highway, landslides at Ramban shut down the critical lifeline, stranding hundreds of vehicles. In Udhampur, a car was crushed under an uprooted tree on the old Jammu-Srinagar highway. A youth from Rajasthan was swept away near Kishanpur Domail Road in Jammu.
जो 5 लोगों में से 3 लोग बह गए हैं और जो 2 लोग बच्चे हैं उनने सूचना दी है घर पे कि उनके साथ ये ऐसे लैंडस्लाइड हुई है और लैंडस्लाइड की वजह से ये 3 लोग बह गए हैं और वो 2 लोग तैर करके किनारे पे आ गए हैं. किनारे से उन्हें वहाँ के स्थानीय प्रशासन के द्वारा उन्हें रेस्क्यू कर लिया गया है.
Vaishno Devi Yatra and Shiv Khori Yatra stand suspended. Schools, colleges and government offices are shut.
तवी का लेवल जो है अलर्ट लेवल से ऊपर है, 42 फीट पे या 34 फीट पे अभी चल रहा है. चिनाब का लेवल भी अलर्ट लेवल से ऊपर है. लो लाइंग एरिया में या अफेक्टेड एरिया में थे, उसमें डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने, जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस ने, इंडियन आर्मी ने, NDRF, UTDRF और सभी लोगों के सहयोग से उनको हमने पहले से इवैक्यूएट किया था और इवैक्यूएट करने से अभी तक जो है हमें यहाँ पर जिन एरिया है वहाँ पर किसी तरह की कैजुअल्टी नहीं, अच्छी बात है.
With rivers swelling, highways blocked and pilgrimages suspended, Jammu and adjoining districts remain on high alert. Rescue teams race against time. Army, NDRF, local police pulling stranded families to safety. With IMD sounding the red alert in Jammu on August 27th also, authorities warn the next 24 hours of rain could worsen the crisis. With Sunil G. Bhatt in Jammu, Bureau Report, India Today.